Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's see how we can create this presentation and so what is unique about this. You see, this kind of transition is some kind of beautiful. Let's try to create this. At first we need to insert a new slide. In our new slide we need three shapes here. How we are going to create these three shapes? It's easy. We are going to use rectangle, one, and then after creating one, just rotate it to the angle we want. It's good, but I want it to be smaller, and also I want it to rotate a little more. And then place two other like this shape by pressing Ctrl, 1, 2. Then select all three of them and go to shape format and then set the shape outline to none. Now we need to change the colors. For that we go to format shape, or you can change the color from here. Let's go by here, blue, green, and a darker blue. Okay, it's good. Now this text is just a simple text. It's really simple and nothing special, but the important thing about that is that this text option has a reflection here. You can choose it. And the main text, I just copy that, paste it here, and change its color to white. And the last but the least, this icon. It's an icon I imported from here. Insert icons. You can download and import it. Okay, everything is ready, but I want to make it better. By how? I'm going to send it to back, then press this thing and shadow. We are going to, in shadow, give it the bottom left shadow and top right shadow here. Top right. Top right. Okay, it's good. Now we create this thing. Bottom shadow, top right. Now we just simply need to group them. For the animation, I'm going to group them 2 by 2, group, and group them, and group them. Where is the group? The group is here. Group them, and then I'm not to send this thing to back. Now press Ctrl A, go to transition and set the animation here from fly in. Then from the bottom left and set the time to 2:20. Now let's see the magic happened. You see, it's very beautiful. You can click and everything is here. I hope you have a nice time. If you need anything, ask me in the comments. I will answer.